Hello my crochet friends, this is Lady Jenna and welcome back to my channel. Today we're not going to be talking about crocheting at all because I found this at Dollarama, music boxes. I was so excited to see these, so I did go to about 4 Dollaramas in my area, and I was able to find 6 small size music boxes, different models. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at these. We're going to find out if they are easy to make, if any of the pieces are missing. We buy these at $4 a piece. We want all the pieces to be there. And also, I'm very interested to find out if the music are different in each of these boxes or if they're the same. Let's get building and we'll test all of these. These music boxes are musical instruments. So I found 2 different styles of a piano, a harp, a guitar, a saxophone, and a record player. The first one we're going to be looking at is the harp. So this is a front size, and yes, it does cost $4 Canadian. On the back side, you will find the instructions how to assemble this. So they come like this, so you just need to punch them to punch all of the pieces out, like so. And this is the music box. If we take it out, we do have a little screwdriver and some screws. And this is a little music box. Let's punch all of the pieces out. Follow the instructions and we're going to be making the little box. And there you have it. We've got our harp music box. Let's do the next music box. For our next music box, we'll be building this piano. My suggestion when you do build these is to take your time and don't force the pieces in. If you are struggling with the pieces, use sandpaper to sand down the piece so it goes in properly. If the pieces are too loose, you can glue the piece. So let's remove all of the pieces from these and let's start building our piano. We have all of our pieces free. Let's start building. The piano is finished, however, it does not stay properly, so I will need to glue the piano. It's actually going apart on me. So I don't really like that, but I will be using glue to get this. So I'm going to repair this. I'm going to glue this together and it's going to be a nice piano. But I did have to use my X-Acto knife to scrape away some wood so that the pieces would fit. This is how the piano is, and I need to finish assembling this using glue. Now let's do piano number 2. I have all of my pieces, the instructions. I'm going to keep handy glue because the first piano that I made, I had to glue it. And also I have my little X-Acto knife, so if I need to clean a few pieces I can, because they do not all fit properly. Okay, so the piano will need a little bit of glue. So I'm going to glue this. It is a struggle. So what I do is I glue a part. I use some elastic. I place some elastic on it. I'm going to let it dry. And then I'm going to glue another part and so on. So I will show you once I'm done. So I still have all 3 of these to make, and I assumed I'm going to have to glue them. So let me just go ahead. I'm going to glue them, and then we're going to take it one box at a time, look at little details, hear the little music, and try to figure out what music is what. So give me a moment, and I'm going to build these, glue these, and then I'll get back to you. I finally finished all 6 of my music box. Some of them I had to glue. Some of them I did not have to. Now, of all of the 6, there's 4 music styles. These 2 have the same music. Let's listen. And this one. If you guessed it, it's the Harry Potter Hedwig theme song. The next 2, the harp, and also the guitar. So let's listen to the music. And the harp has the same music as well. And if you guessed it, it is You Are My Sunshine. The next one is this little piano. The only thing is the cover here, there's supposed to be an image and there's none. It was blank on both sides. That's the only thing that I found, but I did glue this piano. Let's listen to the music. If you guessed it, it is the Swan Lake song. It's the only one that has the Swan leg. And my sixth is the grand piano. It's this piano. Let's listen to the music. So this is nice. The only thing is, I don't know what the music is. I don't know what the name is. It sounds familiar, but I can't put my finger on it. I don't know what's the name of the song. If you do know, please leave it in the comments section. These are all the small music boxes that I purchased from Dollarama. So I hope they enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have yourself a great day. Take care. See you in the next video.